Hello, Mugen fans, and this is IIGamesMasterII with my friend.
Ryan.
And today we're doing a tutorial on the Ikemen.
Now, I want you all to keep in mind, my friend Games Master here doesn't make many tutorials. In fact, he doesn't talk much. He's quite mute.
I hate my voice.
He has a good voice though. He's English. So, I've got many requests to do several different things in Ikemen. The first one, which I'll start off if I can remember, is changing the fonts. As you can see, the generic font is kind of messy. I don't like the way they look. I like these better. You can only use WinMugen fonts. I don't think you can use Mugen 1.0 fonts, so these are just WinMugen fonts.
The thing is, this is just so cool of the amount of stuff you can actually do with Mugen nowadays. It just seems to be getting, as it gets more popular, it's just more and more stuff you can do with it. It's just so awesome. And we know that Ikemen's been out for like, I don't know, 5 years? I think I saw a post saying 5 years.
A little bit longer.
Longer than that? Oh, really?
Yeah. Alright, so to change the font, I believe you go into the script folder and you go into the main LUA file. I have Notepad++ to open these files. You could open them with Notepad, but it looks nicer with Notepad++.
And you might get a sort of like an error that I did if you do it in just normal Notepad.
Alright,
Be
so
careful.
after opening the main LUA, this is the first thing you'll see on top, all these things here. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see JG fonts. Font new, data, font2.def, .fnt. Now, I changed mine already, but originally this font2.fnt, is located in your GMS Lifebar folder. It's here somewhere.
And if you don't know how to make fonts, go to Ryan's tutorial on how to make fonts.
That's right, I do have a tutorial on that. Good hook.
Hey.
So yeah, that's all you would change, and just for the sake of a demo sake, I will change it and show you. So I'll rename this to 3.
It's like a Mugen Free For All for all your Mugen needs.
Wow.
See you soon.
Hot damn. Let's take one of the fonts from Marvel's of Capcom. I think this is gonna be giant size, but that's okay. We all like something giant size. Okay, let's load it up. It's just gonna be kind of ugly, I think. Oh, it's not too ugly, but it looks really bland and very Microsoft
retro
DOS.
Classic.
Oh, okay. There was a black eye.
Very bland. It actually suits it on the main menu though. The green actually stands out that much more.
Extremely.
Right. Yeah.
So
it's like those very old computers with the green writing.
exactly. I'm not a fan of that, so I'll just stick to font 3. So that's fonts. Now, if you want to change your life bars, it could be tricky. At the top here, it says load life bar and load debug font. This is ironically, if this is like doesn't exist, it's gonna load this here by default. So don't worry about it if this doesn't exist. So life bar. This is kind of tricky because Ikemen only uses WinMugen plus life bars. It does not use Mugen 1.0 life bars. You need life bars coded for WinMugen. So if you look here, this is a life bar made by Matmat. I think I'm saying that right. He's French. Oh.
Nothing wrong with the French.
Exactly. So yeah, these are low-res life bars. So these will look great in game, regardless. If you want to use high-res life bars, you need to have them coded for WinMugen Plus, which we had a huge bunch of those back in the community several years ago. I'm just gonna do a quick random match so you can see the life bars in action.
And these are our own characters, and some they've got some from other people, but these are like our own version of it.
Yes.
Me, Tremaine, and Ryan. Good for testing characters as well as the whole Ikemen thing at the same time.
Definitely. So you can see these are the Marvel's Capcom life bars. They're pretty good. I like them. You know, it's whatever you're into, honestly. But let's try some Last Blade life bars.
No, I dropped it off, but I'm back.
How'd you drop the call like that? Ah. Okay. So now, I want to change life bars. I have them organized on my end to, separate files and folders and everything like that. So, let's change MVC life bars to LB2_ life bars. I believe these are also made by Matmat. And the reason I keep going back to this guy is because I've always liked his work So to me, it's like his good stuff.
Name dropping now.
I hope he don't drop again. See, and these are the last play life bars. So pretty much you could change life bars like on the fly, just like you could with regular Mugen. It's just not located in the same fashion.
Have you worked out how to do the title screen yet? I take it as a no because it's still black.
What's black?
The title screen. You know, it says like watch.
I have not figured it out yet because it's weird coding. Let me switch to the CVS life bars because I know a lot of people love the CVS life bars.
The thing is, as you said, like if you're passionate about it, you'll do it. You'll find a way. You always do.
I've tried. I got nowhere with it. I've gotten the black screen.
You're passionate. Do it.
And I've broken Ikemen many times trying to figure all this stuff out.
That's why you have us for backups.
Exactly. Except when we're on the Dropbox. Speaking of Dropbox, we've taken Ikemen to the next level.
Shall I explain a bit? Or
Huh? What?
shall I explain a bit?
Something like that. These are CVS life bars. I know how much people love CVS life bars. If you're wondering about the sound, I have the sound disabled right now from this end. Oh, wait, where is it?
Don't disable me. I did notice there was a problem with something, but it's another thing we've got to find out anyway. I did put a stage in our Ikemen and sound, and it didn't work for some reason. I have no idea why. But
You know, it's funny how aggressive Ultra Fatality's characters are on Ikemen, but on Wind Mugen or 1.0, they're very harmless. Also, music. Who does love music?
It's very nice.
There you go. Alright.
Get that confusing out of my face.
So, what was I gonna say? I was talking something regarding something or other. It wasn't music. It was something with the cat. I forget. Okay, I got the font. I got the life bar. Music, I believe, is also.
Sound, isn't it?
Nope, not there. It's also in the main folder, I think. There, see right here, BGM. This will play the BGM for the title and the select screen. Yeah.
Sound / title MP3.
Yeah, you can name it whatever you want to name it. I like to keep it simple. And this way I know how to get it. And this is from Brave Fencer Musashi for anyone who ever played that game. It's a good game. Get it. Now,
really a big shout out to like Tungle as well, to making this possible. Because
yes, Tungle, great people, great idea.
And
yes, stage zoom. Also here, as you notice, the main LUA can change a lot of things, and it's a wonderful thing. By default, this is set to false. If you set it to true, it'll allow you to stage zoom on various stages. Let's see. One of the most notable stages that I have that stage zooms really well is Ryu versus Ryu. Where is it? Clouds. No. Onslaught. Yeah, this stage zooms extremely well. That's the guy. Let's see if they go far enough. Or if he. There you go. Nelson is flying. See, look at the zoom. That is amazing. So this stage zoom works amazingly in all stages because it doesn't like shrink certain parts. Everything fits the way it's supposed to fit, and everything will slant and wane and wan and wag just like it should. Okay, so that's that. Now, as I mentioned before that I forgot about, we took Ikemen to the next level. Our Ikemen that myself, Games Master, and Ultra Fatality use with all these characters, ideally it would be insane to send these characters to each other every time. So what we did is we made a Dropbox.
I actually noticed that in the chat in Tungle, people were actually sending the Mugen through RAR to each other, but I don't know through what. And this is much more easier than like that.
Currently, our Ikemen is 553 megabytes, which is a lot of megabytes to send to somebody on a constant basis. So by making a Dropbox folder and sharing it with these two other gentlemen here of mine, I'm able to literally switch characters in and out of the roster, alter them, update them, Same thing with stages and some of the sounds, life bars. We pretty much have the same Ikemen at all times, thanks to Dropbox. So
you just all you do is drop your character in, and pretty much the Ikemen's updated all the time. And it will update to whoever's got because you can share the folder with certain people, so it's constantly updated. Whoever can put characters in, so anyone can do it. You can have so many people at once, can't you? So it's just really good.
Like I think the first time Anthony joined, me and Ultra Fatality had roughly 35 characters, so it took him a while to download all that first.
Yes. Made that tutorial about me. I'm still heartbroken. Anyway. But yeah, no, it's definitely really good.
GamesMaster, you think you can go for a quick round just to show them?
I can try. There's so much stuff up there. I've got the Fighter Factory up. And my website. Which you can check out. The link will be in the description. So hang on.
I want you all to keep in mind, GamesMaster is located in what part of the world?
England, UK.
There you go. He's in UK. I am in New York.
People are going to say, "Oh, he's from London." No, I'm like an hour away from London.
I keep telling people you're from London just because I don't remember England. It's all the same.
It's just
to
the
me.
main
I'm
place
American.
like every person comes from. London. Yeah, you're from London. Yeah, that's it. That's right.
He sounds English. She's from London.
Yes. Yeah, I must be. Connecting to Tangle.
Okay, I'm gonna stop screen sharing with Anthony now.
Okay.
Did I even start? I did. Okay.
My connection's really bad on Sundays, just to let you know, so I will probably lag out quite a few times. Maybe.
Why is your connection bad on the Sunday?
I don't know. I think because everyone's home. Right, I'm joined, so I haven't got Red X yet.
Oh, I'm finalizing. See, finalizing.
Open up my Ikemen,
11 minutes.
which is located down on the right-hand corner of the screen of your Dropbox. Can you get it?
Yes.
Just open it like normal.
Dropbox is here. Click it. Dropbox folder. Ikemen. So now let me just join the.
Oh, by the way, if this video is a bit of a rush, it's because I'm quite busy today, but I'm trying to find time to do this for you guys. So
He loves you.
this. Yes.
He loves
I
you
love
so
all.
much. How can you say no to his face? Exactly. See, right now he has a red X next to his name, and we can't. Excuse me. We can't play. But
Yes. Yeah, you have to keep closing Tungle down until you actually get like a grey box by your name.
yes, that
Or by
usually
your
works.
friend's name.
Just close it and do it again. He's gone. He's not in the room. Wow, look at that!
What?
I didn't know you can check someone's ping. My ping is 168. Holy shit, that's a lot.
I don't know much about pings.
Pangs.
Pangs.
Alright, let's see. What else can we discuss? Lifebars check. Oh yes, animation for the background. Now this can be tricky because you cannot do multiple layers. I've tried multiple layers and I have not succeeded. So if you want to add multiple layers of, or want to change your background for that fact, you would go into the, I believe, the system.ssz file. The system.ssz file is SSZ is not a real format. It's a format made for Ikemen. So Notepad opens it.
You have to go.
Nah. Oh, you're gray. Okay, let me just finish this piece on the thing, the animation,
No
if I can
worries.
find it. Okay, it's not system.ssz. Is it common? Oh, speaking of which, other tidbit. To change your time and stuff for stuff in fighting, if you go to the common.ssz, you will see codes for your time, your life percentage, and everything. So if you put 1.5, all your characters by default have 1,000. So 1.5 will give them 1,500 life. If you put 3.0, that's going to multiply by 3,000. Pretty straightforward. These are zooms here. What is it? There we go. If you locate this in the common.ssz file, constant initial I can't forget what this stands for. But anyways, this max simultaneous, and you put 4. By default, it's set to 2. Actually, no, it's set to 4 by default, and these are set to 2. So when you play Ikemen, you can only pick 2 people on simultaneous. However, if you set these to 4, you could pick 4 people in simultaneous. Just easier.
That's actually quite cool.
It is.
Mental as well.
Save it. It is. It'll make you constantly think. Alright, I'm loading up Ikemen now.
Okay, who's hosting you? Me?
You host.
Oh, okay. Why me?
So I can show people how to get your IP and stuff. So in Tumblr, you would simply right-click somebody's name and copy IP to clipboard. Easiest way possible. Tell me when.
I'm connecting.
Okay. Okay. And there we go, in the game. And as I said, because of Dropbox, all of our characters and rosters are the exact same. So we never have to worry about downloading anything. And the roster is pretty big, as you can see.
I've updated my duck hunt dogs.
Oh my god, that damn dog.
Everyone loves him.
He's gonna shoot me again.
It's really weird. I updated him when he came out in Super Smash Bros. Spoilers, sorry.
Pick a stage, any stage.
This one got it. Oh no, not him. Not this one.
This battle is about to explode.
Go for pro. Fight. Right, okay. Get back.
Damn dog. Get off my lawn.
Sand attack.
Sand
Fight.
attack.
Duck hunt dog. Use sand attack. Fight.
Hit the damn dog. Is this like animal cruelty?
Maybe. Oh! Can you hit? Not hear the noises? I've done the. Ah!
That was a kill, dog. Snuffy in the corner. Oh crap! He's got a gun. He had a gun. Why does it sound like electricity when it hits?
I don't know. Ah!
The throw is complete, by the way.
Oh, wicked.
I didn't do the damage though, so it's not really complete.
It doesn't look right because it's to do with bigger characters, as you can tell. Oh! Side attack. Oh! Stop doing things!
Never.
Oh, maybe we should mention that the gamepad, we tried with gamepad, we haven't worked that out completely yet.
Yes, there is a way to change controls. It works best on the keyboard. If you were to use a gamepad, like GamesMaster here, who prefers a gamepad,
I do, I can beat your ass better.
exactly. We can't figure out exactly how to get the controls to work properly. You bastard! That's a weird move for anybody.
Cartwheel, he's happy. Can you see the expression on his face? He's just so happy when he does
There he
it.
is. Alright, so I'm gonna end for a second.
Okay.
And that was my friend in England. As you can see, the lag is minimal even on Sunday, his worst day.
Yeah, everyone's at home relaxing, and I'm playing Mugen.
Exactly. Now, regarding the animation, it's maybe it is the common SSC that has it. No, it's not the common SSC. One of these files around here has it. The thing is, Ikemen most of it's in C++, so it's kind of confusing. Config? No. Oh. If you open the config SSZ, you can change your controls here. As you can see, up, down, left, right, ASD, ZXC, punch, 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 kick, 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 start, up, down, left, right.
I think, if I remember correctly, because I was researching this for a controller, because I use an Xbox 360 controller, and I think the furthest we ever got, we used the analog stick to move, and it was the D-pad to actually do the punches, which was really weird.
Anthony, can you copy and paste me your controller configuration? Or do you not have that anymore?
Delete it. I don't know if I probably got rid of it. Sorry, guys. So
Okay.
yeah, not there.
Well,
But that's the furthest I've got.
yeah, if you Google it, you'll find a website that leads you to some Mortal Kombat product online thing.
Dark Shroud, I think his name is.
Really, Dark Shroud, huh?
Yeah. So yeah, props up to him.
Exactly, I think I know him. Anyways, yeah, so he has an example of a thing you could just copy and paste for the controls, and it'll work. But the problem that we had was, as Anthony mentioned, you move with the analog stick, but your attack buttons were your directional buttons. So if you can imagine that, your controller would be 90 degrees in the worst possible way.
Yes. It was much more easier, but still, it's not the same as using the Y button.
Exactly.
Or A button. Or X or B.
Exactly. Plus, he couldn't for the life of him figure out the C button. He got the Z button, but not
Yeah.
the C button. So it was kind
You
of
had...
yeah.
You just, even if you're 6-button people, you had just like 4 attacks. I think the only heavy punch was like start, I think it was. It was really weird.
That's weird. Your heavy punch was start.
I know, it was really weird.
Aside from that, you have other Mugen-related configurations here: the max helpers, projectiles, explodes, after blah, blah, blah. And one thing you should also note here is Lifebar font scale. By default, this number is 0.5. I don't know why it is. It just is. And I think this will actually change it for the main menu as well, just because that's how weird. It's how weird everything is. See, look at that error. I don't even know what I did this time.
I am error.
Okay, let's put 1. Let's see if it broke it or not. Yeah, it didn't break it. But yeah. Okay, so that's it. The animation I'm still looking for. I don't recall where I saw that thing. Debug system. Oh wait, maybe it's here. Select? No. That's to add characters. Debug. No, definitely not that. Okay, it's in SSD folder. Huh?
No, just going to the debug. I always kept saying debug when I was little.
Oh really?
Yeah, debug. I don't know why there's no R in it, but...
Debugger.
Debug.
Font Ikemen? Is it Ikemen? No, it's not. Minus script share system.
So Ryan, just a quick question. For the Ikemen, who actually found it? Because I can't actually remember how you came across it, really. How did you start it off?
Oh, I knew about Ikemen for years. I just never got it to work.
You just needed inspiration.
No,
That's
I just
one thing
never
about
got it
Ryan
to work. My friend Alexei, or I can't even pronounce his username online because it's in Russian. He figured out how to use Tungle with Ikemen, which leads to all of this here.
Randomly playing it one day. Maybe I should connect these two together.
No, he was trying it because he found Tungle and he was using it. Then he's like, let me try this. I cannot for the life of me find where you change the animation. It's so weird.
Someone can figure out how to do an Xbox 360 controller on this. I will build several shrines to them.
And he can do it too. He's rich.
Yes, I throw money at you. Shut up and take my money.
Action. No. See, if the code looks too complicated, it probably is not it. Because the code to change the animation is very similar to the system file in the data folder for Mugen. That's not it. SFF script. I'm pretty sure it's in here somewhere.
While you're doing that, Ryan, I've got to mention to the people as well that animation stages, you'll find that some of the animations that will not work that properly, or you get that duplicate effect for people fighting. Because I noticed that with your stage, Ryan, the awesome stage.
Yeah, I'm not sure what that's about.
Yeah, so we don't have to fix that yet. So just let you know if you've got any animation stages.
I don't think you can fix that, mainly because it's so
many layers or something. Or?
No, it's just the way Ikemen is. You know, it works on a WinMugen hack, and it's been updated accordingly to work with new stuff. But I'm not sure. I cannot for the life of me figure out where to get these animation things. Script. No. Oh wait. Yeah, okay. I think it's also main LUA. Also, I just want to mention. In main LUA, I want to share this. There's an item called select columns. It's set to 10 by default. If you change this to like a number like 20, your roster will get smaller, but at the same time get many more. See, look at that. Look at that tiny little roster.
It does seem like it goes on forever, the characters. You keep scrolling down and it's just endless. It's like, oh my god.
I think it does scroll down endlessly. Okay, enough of that playing around this. So back to 10. Alright, so these are other command stuff. These are cell size. I have not messed with these. This is for your select icon and stuff like that. Turns, I don't know what this is. Right here you could rename the modes. Instead of playing single, I could put like 1 versus 1. But I like single. Scrolling down some more, same thing. This is player 2's, P2, notice that. Cursor, okay, cursor, and somewhere down here we go. Cell BG, this means select BG. by default, this is a single animation. I added my own animation to the system.sff, and I just code the animation in here just like that. You put the tile left and right, the color key, which I use 0 for black. You scale it accordingly. This one does not work. I don't know why. I can't figure it out. Maybe because I don't have these checked. Anyways, maybe it's the position. So I tried this with Cellbox 2, and this didn't work either. So aside from all of this, normally this animation is going to tile and it's going to scroll down left to right. So to fix that, you just go here to the function, the BG sub. This controls all of the background things, I believe. And oh no, it doesn't control all of them. It just controls the one that's it's in the parentheses. So for add position here, you have to set the 0, 0. Otherwise, it's going to keep going down to the corner. And I'll show you. For something like this, what a nice animation. You don't want to have it moving like that. It looks weird.
Seems legit.
Exactly. So it took me forever to figure out this damn setting. But yeah, that's how you change it. You just add the animation to the system SFF like normal. You go into your main LUA, scroll down a little bit till you see the cell BG equals anim new and this code, and then you just change it to whatever you like. And honestly, Games Master, I think that concludes everything that people have asked for.
Yeah.
Anything you want to add before I end the video?
Just go over stuff like what you did with the other one with Ultra Fatality.
I forget. Okay, let's see. So, to enable zoom, set this to true. It's automatically set to false. To change your life bars, I prefer you keep them in a separate folder in your data folder so nothing gets in trouble. You go into your main LUA again, and you basically put the location of it right here, data / folder name / fight.def. It can be anything, it doesn't have to be fight.def. This you don't have to worry about too much. Select columns if you want to increase your roster size or decrease. If you want to add background music to your title screen and select screen, you cannot change it. This is what you're looking for, BGM in the main LUA folder again. If you want to change your title and select font, it's JG font equals font new right here in the main LUA. Again, everything's mostly in the LUA, thank God. If you want to do screen pack related things and you want to change your selector icons, this is it right here. Yeah, this is it right here. More stuff. Too many calculating things. If you want to change the way it looks on the select screen, this is it right here. This is your text looks for player 1, P1 right there. And this is the cursor animations. P2 right here, but just below with the cursor animations. If you want to change your background animation for the select screen, this is it right here, cell BG, and these next segments here, all of that. If you want to change the name of your modes, you can do so right here like this. Unlike Mugen, if you leave it blank, it will remove. Ikemen will not leave, it'll leave it blank, but you can still select it. So there's no real win to that or anything. This other stuff down here I don't recall or know what that is. So that is all of that. Let's see. I forget what else there was. There was a couple things, that's why I forget.
I think it's just more of the Dropbox after that then. Just like make sure you sign up to Dropbox.
Yeah.
If you want to play with other people to have the same Mugen.
Yeah, I mean, if you have a close set of friends and you, oh yeah, controls, before I get onto the Dropbox thing. Controls located in the config.ssz. Really tricky to set up on a gamepad, very easy on a keyboard. Just remember, ASD are punches, ZXC are kicks, just like normal Mugen. And that's probably it. So yeah, on with the Dropbox. If you have a group of friends that want to play Mugen, even in the Tungle game room here, there's usually 6 people in here also playing Mugen. You guys can start a Dropbox together invite each other to it, and then that's your game to play, and have fun.
Sign up, download, and then you're on your way, pretty much.
Yep.
And you should be located down the right-hand side of your computer.
Wow, this is recording for 30 minutes. Anyways, I'll end it here. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye.